We're going for a spin, guys. Come on, hubby. My brother die.
You ready to rock and roll?
Let's get it.
Are you sure?
Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. You feel me? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Me and the wife, we out here riding, man. We out here enjoying ourselves, living life to the fullest. You know. Hey, man, it must have hurt when I was waiting on that part. I was sick. I felt like I was getting homesick for a minute. I have my bike, man. I feel naked. Like when you ain't got your bike, everything feel like ain't nothing going on. Yes, sir. Naked, without my bike. Yes, sir. Ay. Feels so good out here. Man, it just feels good to be on two wheels. Feels good to be on two wheels, man. Feels good to be on two wheels. Ain't nothing like it, man. Nothing like it. You'd have told me to be like this a long time ago, man. I ain't gonna lie, I used to be scared of motorcycles. I'm like, man, two wheels? Ain't nothing to protect you from the ground, from the cars, nothing to protect you. Just you, vulnerable to everything on the outside, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, just me and the wife out there getting us a little, I can't say night ride because it's getting dark, but it's not really that dark. It's a good thing. There's that ghost right there. That's a ghost. That guy's a ghost, man. He walks this street. I think it's somebody that probably passed away. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Me, it's dark, right? Come on. Yeah, it's hard for me to see too. That's why I thought you brought the glasses. You got out here and you forgot why you brought them? Yeah. Man, that wind feels so good, man. How y'all doing today, world? How y'all doing today, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Or tonight, should I say? The day has been long spent, and it's over with. But guess what? They say the freaks come out at night. The freaks come out at boom, 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 boom. Yes, sir. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I see you over there. No hands. Look, Ma, no hands. Oh, shoot. You better be careful. You better get you some speed. You gotta go faster than that when you're doing no hands. Yeah, you go too slow, you gonna fall off. Don't fall off. We didn't bring our jackets. But just be careful. Just be mindful of that. Be mindful. Yeah. I don't want nothing to happen to you. You're welcome. You're welcome, my love. My sweet cakes. My sugar plum. Huh? Your blinker's still on. I'm gonna go over here and take some pictures. You wanna take pictures or what? Yeah, you can leave it on. I'm surprised mine haven't died yet because of that temp sensor. It's some nice bikes, man. I mean, hey, what can I say? They're nice bikes, you know. They're okay, you know. I mean, the only issue I had was that part fell off of it. I guess it vibrated off. This part right here. I just gotta make sure this one don't come off. Along with everything else, keeping everything else tightened down. Pretty much basically that's it. Yeah, it look good. Yeah. Some good looking bikes, man. I ain't mad. You know. I had to get some new visors. Some visors where they're not tinted. Get those new visors so we can, you know, ride in the dark. Yeah, we can ride in the dark. New visors. Yeah, when I laid it down, I don't know how to fix that. Put a wrap on it or just leave it like that. I mean, I ain't messed up about it. It is what it is. It happens to the best of them. You know, when you're a beginner rider, that's what happens. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall, whether it be slow or fast. I'm seeing some oil leaking down there, and I don't know where it's coming from. Oh man, I see oil leaking. And I don't know where it's coming from. Yeah, I see it. I see it, but I don't know where it's coming from. Okay, so I need to tighten up my oil plug. When I did the oil change the other day, there it is right there. A little bit of oil. So I tighten it up with my hand right now. Just get a hand tight until we get back to the house. Okay, you ready? Love you. Oh. Okay, dale.